Hello, everyone. In this quick tutorial, I just want to talk to you about swipe trades, getting started, and just give you some helpful information. There's a few questions that I often get, and I just thought that it would be really helpful to put this together really quickly. If you are a new customer getting started with swipe trades, I want to just walk you through this. So when you click on swipe trades and you're getting started for the first time, you're going to open up your Swipe Trades app, and you might see something like this, a new trade idea. So as you can see, it was called 1 day ago, so that's no longer relevant. You would just click on the green check mark, and then you would click the back button. There's no way for us to delete old notifications at the time. We just kind of have to click through them, because if we were to delete them, it would completely delete from our system, and we're not able to do that right now. So the next thing that you might see is sometimes you're going to get something called an update. And sometimes I have customers reach out to me and they say, Kenya, why am I not getting swipe trade notification or swipe trade information to put into MetaTrader 4? I'm only getting updates. So if you are seeing an update, it's because it's relevant news that the company is trying to deliver to you, maybe an important news announcement that they want you to know about an event, or they're giving you update information on a trade that is active that you might currently be in. So let's look at Euro USD. You would click on the check mark. This is 2 days ago, so like I said, it's no longer relevant. But let's just look at it. For the time frame, you don't have to worry about that. It's an update, so that means that anytime you see update, you're going to scroll to the bottom and read the notes. Now they're telling you close 0.03 of 0.06 per 1,000 on Euro USD. So they're just telling you to take some profit from a trade that's currently active. Currently it's, let me see, position 10 pips. So they're telling you to move your stop loss so that the trade will now be risk-free, which means that if the trade reverses and goes against us, it's going to stop us out so that we get out of the trade risk-free. We're not losing anything. So my suggestion is that hearing this for the first time, you probably don't understand it, right? So my suggestion to you is to make sure that you go to IML Academy inside of your IML website and go through basics 1 through 4 and get started with your Academy learning, because that's going to help you apply your learning to everything that you're receiving on the Swipe Trades app. Also, too, for example, this is a swipe trade notification, but it's not trade information. It's just event information. So when you start to see these notifications, you can kind of decipher what is, relevant. Well, it's all relevant, but you can kind of decipher in terms of what's a real swipe trade alert, as, putting like information you're going to put into MetaTrader 4 versus information you're not putting into MetaTrader 4. So if we click on this, for example, USD ZAR and H4 time frame update, you might think that that's relevant to a particular trade, but again, always scroll down to the bottom of the notes and just look at what they're telling you. And so Jay Adams basically is just notifying everyone, hey, I'm going to be live in 1 hour. He's telling you to come hop on IML TV, learn some chart analysis, and he's going to give you a cheat code. So that's just what that means. You can go ahead and hit the back button. These 3 lines at the top, you want to click on search. Anytime you want to know when the latest swipe trade has been called, you can click on search and you'll see a list of trades here. Anything that is active, it means that that trade is currently in progress. It's already activated. If it's inactive, for example, if it's hit the stop loss, or if the team has told you to close the trade because maybe we missed the momentum or anything could have happened, you would close the trade. If the trade is pending, again, that could be a trade that has not entered the market yet. So we're waiting for either our order to enter or to hit. That means it's pending, so it hasn't yet entered. So if you see a trade that's pending, that means that you still have time to get in. If it's active, I would pretty much caution you, especially as a new person, if you don't have a lot of experience, you may not want to get into that trade. Only get into the ones that are very new, where you get the notification right away, or if you see pending. Now let's hit the back button. Make sure that under search, you click on videos and you go through all of these videos on swipe trades. This is going to help you understand how to enter a new trade idea, how to take partial profits. It's going to help you understand the different order types, when not to enter a swipe trade. So all these helpful videos are going to help you with getting started with swipe trades. And if you need additional help, you can always watch our YouTube channel. You can search YouTube for other helpful topics. There's tons of information out there to help you understand exactly what you're doing. Now, one more thing, if you're not getting swipe trade notifications, make sure that you click on the settings of your phone, scroll down to where it says notifications, scroll down and find swipe trades, and just check allow notifications. We're going to check it so that it's off, and then we're going to check it again so that everything is turned on. If your show as banner says temporary, make sure that you turn it to persistent, and now you should start getting swipe trade alerts. So if you find yourself not getting any alerts, make sure you go to the settings of your phone and you do that quick step, and that should solve that problem. Other than that, guys, that is just some quick information on getting started and using swipe trades. I just wanted to share that brief information with you that I often get in terms of questions from new customers when first getting started. Like I said, make sure you start on IML Academy, complete basics 1 through 4. And as you get comfortable really jotting down that information, taking notes, go ahead and start taking your first swipe trade in your demo account and get comfortable with swipe trades.